Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily AI Lab, your go-to place for automation, AI tools, and productivity tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install n8n completely on Windows, starting with installing Node using the exe installer. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced user, this step-by-step guide will help you set everything up smoothly. Let's jump right in. Before installing, here's a quick overview. n8n is an open-source workflow automation tool that lets you connect apps and create automations, similar to but free and self-hosted. To run n8n on Windows, we need Node installed first, so let's begin there. Before we start, make sure your system meets the following requirements. Let's install Node. To download Nodes, open your browsers. Visit .org. Click the LTS version recommended for beginners. In this video, I'm installing Node version 2019-6 LTS. Download the Windows installer or, after the download finishes, open the installer. When the installer launches, click Next. Accept the license agreement. Click Next. Keep the default installation folder. Make sure automatically install necessary tools is enabled. Click Install. The installation will take a moment. Once it finishes, let's verify the installation. Open Command Prompt and types Node v, then type. If both commands return version numbers, Node and are installed correctly. Now we can install n8n. In the same command prompt type install n8n. This installs n8n globally, so you can run it from anywhere on your system. The installation will take a moment. To launch n8n, simply run n8n. After a few seconds, n8n starts running. Now open your browser and go to 5678. You should now see the n8n dashboard. Congratulations, n8n is successfully installed. And that's it for today's tutorial. You've successfully installed Node using the exe installer and set up n8n on Windows. Now you're ready to build powerful automations and workflows. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video right here on AI Daily Lab. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.